Your brain is wired to trust light. For billions of years, light meant safety, warmth, life. It meant the sun would rise. It meant you could see. But 3,000 meters below the surface, evolution rewrote that rule. Down here, light lies. Descent, the abyss. No sunrise reaches this place. No moonlight survives the pressure. The ocean compresses with the weight of mountains, and the darkness becomes absolute. In this world, sight is useless, unless something creates its own light. And something always does. Origin of living light. Bioluminescence. Nature's cold fire. A chemical reaction inside living cells. No heat, no flame, just light born from molecules colliding in silence. It evolved again and again across species, not for beauty, but for survival. Some use it to hide. Some use it to communicate. Some use it to vanish, and some use it to hunt. The lure. In the abyss, food is rare. Energy is precious. Mistakes are fatal. So predators learned a cruel trick. They weaponized hope. A single glowing point in the void looks like life. Movement. Opportunity. To a hungry creature drifting in darkness, that tiny spark means one thing. Eat. The deception. But the light isn't prey. It's bait. A filament extends from the predator's head, tipped with living lantern cells. A biological fishing rod. It sways gently, convincingly, perfectly mimicking a helpless organism. The victim approaches slowly, cautiously. Instinct overriding fear. Closer, closer. The darkness around the light isn't empty. It's waiting. Strike. The attack happens faster than thought. A mouth opens like a collapsing cave. Teeth snap shut. Water implodes inward. And just like that, the light goes out. The real horror. The deepest terror isn't the predator. It's the realization that evolution studied the mind of its prey and exploited it. The glow works because brains are predictable, because instinct is ancient, because life learned long ago to trust light. Down here, that ancient rule is a death sentence, evolution's experiment. In the abyss, survival doesn't reward kindness. It rewards effectiveness. So nature keeps refining the design. Lights that blink like plankton, lights that pulse like wounded animals, lights that imitate mating signals. Each deception more convincing than the last, because every creature that survives an attack teaches the predator how to lie better. Philosophical turn. On land, light reveals truth. In the deep sea, light manufactures illusion. What looks alive may already be death. What looks safe may already be hunting. And what looks like hope may be watching you approach. Closing. In the crushing darkness of the midnight abyss, life did not conquer fear. It adapted it, weaponized it, perfected it. Because in a world without sunlight, predators learn to become the sun. Trust the dark. It's more honest than the light.